Good evening. On Excel, with the usual exercise table, we will see two methods of transposing headers. From these column headers, we will transpose them to have row headers. To preserve enrichments and formats, the most efficient and fast is copy/paste with the special paste option transpose option. We put ourselves in a cell of the table, we select it with Ctrl+A. With a right click, copy. I then place my cursor at the target location. I click, for example, in I1. To then paste the clipboard, I do not do a Ctrl+V, normal paste, but I do a special right-click/paste with the transposition option. We can then see that in this case, the enrichments, background color of the headers, and the formats are preserved. We will see the other method with the transpose function. I can undo the previous action. I put myself in I1 for example, and there I put a formula with the transpose function. Once the double click on this function, we see that the syntax is only the range to transpose, in the parentheses. So, we select the table. Here it cannot be selected with Ctrl+A while entering a formula. You can then see that this transposed the dates are transposed into raw values and that the background color of the header cells is lost. I can put the dates back in short date format by selecting them and then, from the Home tab, in the Numbers toolbox, I scroll down the formats and click on Short Date. Good night.